Check 1, 2. We are now live and ready to start trading. We are seeing unprecedented volume coming through on the open, shifting our short-term outlook.
All right. Good morning, everybody. BluSky Trading. Let's go. So, guys, this morning we got to be quick because the bears are getting ready to make their move not far right now. So, we're going to see the red line on the screen. That's your bear trade right there. The short is right here. This is your short right here at 728. If it breaks it, we're going short. If it's not, we're bouncing back long. So, that's it. It's pretty much our area of concern this morning. As you can see, we got the bulls that want to be up here on the top. We got the bears that want to be here. This is kind of the break for the bulls to get here. So it's 702. Not a permanent level, but just something we're looking at. So if you're in this morning, good morning. Hope you had a great weekend. Trying to get back to business. The business of making money, right? That's what we do. So put the weekend behind. Let's go move forward. Keep accounts green, and work on this week. 1 week at a time. And hey, what do you think you're doing? What's up? I've chopped my leg. Okay. I guess he thinks there's somebody at the door. So anyway, guys, we're just waiting to come down here to see what's going to happen. And we'll go from there. I don't know why. So let's see if I can go back over here, guys. I think I'm gonna. Can you still hear me? You still hear me? Okay, good. Right there. Okay, I was just checking. All right. So, guys, we're just gonna wait around, and I got a lot of feedback this morning. Hearing myself. Sometimes that's weird. Okay, that's kind of gone now. But anyway, this is what we're going to do this morning. We're going to try to get down to the 28. We're going to try to get this short. If we do not get the short, guys, this might bounce at the open at 28 or just a little bit below it. But right now, guys, we are in the bear move. I mean, this is a solid, straight bear move. And it's concerning because we know they got a bigger move down into like 27 something. But we can see the 27s today if they really push it. Or I would say we could probably see the 20, almost 29. I think 900s are good above. You got 28, 904, 95, somewhere there, 19, 912. It's up there somewhere. But the bulls have a lot of traffic to go through there. They have built this area where the traffic is really a concern. That area starts somewhere in the 600s and goes into the 7s, almost in the 8s. But we won't get into that right now until we get there. So, 28, guys. You're looking for 628. This is a key area of a good short. If we don't get to 28, we won't be going short. We might hit the 28, bounce back. Bouncing back will be a problem. But really, we know that 702, and I think that's going to be about the 36 up here. Yeah, that's about right. So we're good there. And there it is, guys. Watch. This is where the bears want to be. See that? You can watch the 28. I'm not in this. I'm just showing you guys. But you can watch how it came down to our chart right here and bounced, right? Because this is where you've got to be for a bear short. I mean, I'll get this and make something. I don't matter if it's $100, right? So we know this is exactly where we're supposed to be. And the account's showing us that, hey, you take some money right here. Remember, it's not the open yet, so don't hold it. Take a little bit and get out. It's not the open, but this is a guaranteed moneymaker right here. So we're going to take something off of this and get our day started. You might even be able to make your money before the market even opens. $1,000 done. Look at that. $1,000 before the market even opens. And this is what you got to do, guys. Come in, get it, leave. You could now take this money and have a good day. It's amazing. Because we know where they want to be. Whew, sorry, I was just tired. Long weekend. Let's go. Come on. So see how that works right there, guys? Now, this will also work at the 29 for the long, right? So now you've got two places you can go long and short, no problem this morning. Easy money. We're hoping that this will just stay short, guys, and come straight down. It would be really nice because it's a big move. So we're gonna wait and see. 1,400. We'll take it because we can always get back in. Same place. There it goes again. 14, 2 grand. This is nuts. There you go, guys. 21. Look at this. Easy money. Hope you guys like this trade. What do you guys think? $4,000 for the market even opens. Look at that. 5 grand. Market's not even open, and we're up 5K. What do you think? Anybody want to give me some feedback? Yeah, that's because I'm here getting feedback. Well, and I think it's this. How's that? Is that better? All right, cool. It might be better. Check 1, 2. Nope, that's not going to work. All right. So anyway, we're going down. Yeah. Way to go, Dan. Yep. Good deal. Good deal, everybody. So, guys, you see this move? Done, man. We're done. The market ain't even open, and we're done. We what 3 minutes tops, 5 grand. This is what you got to do in the mornings. You just got to know where to be. And once you know where to be, this takes the guessing out of it. You come in, you make your money, you go on, do your day. You know, with trades like this, you don't continue trading unless, the open fades down. If it just keeps dropping at the open, we're going to keep it because I know where they're going to go with this. Our target low, guys, is probably going to be somewhere around the 527. Okay. If it don't pull back. If it does, we'll just take our money and leave. But 527 is our target, which is right down in here. But remember, you got this 40 down here. So we're going to take this right here and we're going to put about the 25 right there. We're trying to get down here to this blue box, right? So if you just join, guys, the other trade, what these bears are going to have to do is break this bottom candle right here at the 81. 81's a good short here if it'll hold. They can also make this 81 work. If it don't hold, we don't care. We're just going to take the 6, 7 grand and leave, or just scale out, take a bunch of money, let one run. Let's go. Push it down. Easy money. Easy money. Let's go. Now, if we pull back, we already know where the entry is, guys. Same place we went short. It's the same line. Unless we come down and breach this other target. Now, there is a place of concern I'm looking at, and that's about the 48, but that's not a permanent level. 48 is just one of those levels where the bulls know the bears got to get to. It's like a premature level, and we got to hit that, right? Remember, guys, take your money because you're playing with a high volume. It's gonna get stupid here if they don't hold it, but they're holding it right now. The Bears are doing a good job of keeping this. Looking strong, looking real strong on the 15-minute. Come on, boys, push it on down. Beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. So this is great, guys, how this is working out. We scale out, guys, take profits. Remember the 81. There we go again, 81. 81 short. Scale back in some contracts, 81. Come on back down. We need to get this 48 out of the way. And the Bears know the target's 48, the first one. They just want to get by it. There it is, 48. Now watch them try to push this thing down because the next target down for them, their pre-target is 25. Their big target's about 17. So we're going to see what they do with this. See, there's our big target right there. Now this is concerned. You either A, really watch it go deep here, or it pulls back deep on you. So once you hit that 24, guys, you've got to get past this. This is major area of concern. You can either go deep here or wreck your account because 24 will have a pullback eventually. I'm just letting you know. Just go. Right now, though, these Bears ain't playing. They're really trying to get this. And I think that if they can hold this, guys, they can make a big move, even down in the 400s. Let's go. Can we get down in the fours? Well, yeah. Well, how about you guys? But we're done. We are done on the day. Market's been open 3 minutes, and we can go about our day. Look at this. Woo, let's roll. I told Nick this morning we were going to have a good deep move. Let's go. That was at 10 after 9. Look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing. We might make all of our big money in one trade this morning. Who's in? Anybody? Get some feedback on a trade. I know you guys don't see trades like this all the time, but the guys that follow me all the time do. Come on, let's just keep going low here. All right, guys. So what you'll remember is that 17 here, okay? Right? Let's put this back. Let's see. 17 is not a level. It's just something I'm looking at, okay? Something I'm being aware of. It's like right there. It's at two little areas, 24-17, that, we just got to watch. If she comes back up here, guys, to this blue box area, this is a good place to go ahead and just take your profits. Just take it. I've already scaled because you have to. You know what I mean? I'm already holding one on this. So right now, guys, we have to get back under the 40, 48 area. 48 is the next short down. 48 will work as a short, and 48 will work as the bounce on the long. So you got 48 short, 48 long. Where's this going to go, guys? More than likely back to 81 if they hold the 70. That's where I would be going if I was a bear. Anyway, guys, beautiful trade morning. We've already took massive amounts of profits, and we only been trading 6 minutes. Well, 6 minutes in the open. About 6 minutes. We've been trading about 10 minutes total, but there you go, guys. Perfect. Now she comes back up. We'll just cut this, take the $300, $400, and add on to what we already got. because now we can see this is probably going to change over. But the problem is the changeover is way ahead of us. Okay. And we got to get a changeover up here around this red line. We got to get these bulls to get up here because all this, the bears are going to go this and this and this and this. They're going to make you think it's going to go back short and just try to creep into here to the long, or they'll get up here and the bears will keep trying to push it low, right? So right now there is no trade in this. Okay, you've got to come back up here or break the 81 down here. 81 short is another good spot. If you don't get under 81, guys, you can take the long at 81 back to 97, but it's risky. 81, 97 is a good move, but it's really, really risky. Too much risk in it. But you can see the big long buy, which is perfect. We don't care. We already took the short. I like getting all of this morning. So we got 628 down to 46. And I said we'd go into the fours, and we did. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Good deal. It's awesome. Yep. Yeah. 3 minutes. Let's go. Yep. That's good. Well, good job, guys. It took these shorts with me or got the drop on another chart because of this one. Um, ES is following along probably, so we're good. But it's just coming in, guys, getting a certain area, getting your money, and getting the hell out of here. That's what I do. I do not stay concerned over it. Just come in, grab money, and leave. The only reason I stay on is to help you guys because I'd have got off, 3 after 9:33. I'd have been gone. Here we go, guys. Right back down again. Now remember, we want this chart to come down here to 48. Remember the 48 I was telling you guys about? We got to be under 48 here. If you can get under 48 and hold it, there's a short at 48. And there's also a long at 48. Now 48 goes to 17 again. Look at this. See 48? It's going to try to pull back to 48. There it is. The bears know they have to stay under 48 and 17. You get to 17 on this, you're probably going to come down again. We really want to come down at 17 and really make this work. And I really think the bears are thinking, what is that right there? I think the bears are looking also at 30 for the big short. Right in here. Like right there. It's kind of weird. It's strange. I don't know why they got a target there, but 28. Wow. So that's kind of strange. They got a 28 up here, and they got a 28 down here also. So we're going to put this 28 right there. Right there. That's a big short right here. 28. 28, 17. They changed up some stuff, but that's okay. Come on, Bear. Keep it rolling. Let's go. So now, guys, you can hold this. You know what I mean? If you got one in this up here, so what you can do is say, well, I can hold all the way back to 64, 564. Because you're going to get this pullback right in here as they try to go deeper. So you got to be under 17 here, and we're going to get it. Let's go. So now we know where the big long is down here. The big long is right here at 28. So they're going to, if they go long, guys, it's going to be 28 down here. but we are trying to get to the big target, which is about 430 down here. Which is about it's way down here. It's like down here it goes. Right there. That's our target. One of them. Well, we had 21. Doing good. Holding a big giant short with one contract left, letting it work for us. We're just going to hold it. There's no risk in it because we've already took all the money out of it. So now it don't matter. We can take 1,000 of this and just keep it as an add-on. What I normally do is say 50-50. And what I mean by that, if it's, 2,400, it comes back to 12, I'll cut it. Because it's just keeping the 1,200 that you've already got from the 20 grand you just made. So half it. Unless you're, just wanting to keep your profits, you can. If it goes to like 5K, 6K, 7K, just take the 7K. Don't have to. Usually anything over 4, I don't have. I just keep. Let's go. Look at that. We're trying to get down to my target down there at 30. That's a good little target. That's also a great place for a major bounce. So we'll see what happens when we get there. Come on, boys. Keep on pushing while I drink my coffee. Get 100 people today. We'll give away an account. Hopefully we get 100 today in here. I really think, too, that we could do the 418 down there. I mean, I think it's possible. I think it's like right there. Now, that's not a target, guys. That's just something I look at. That's just me personally. You don't have to mark it. Look at that, guys. Is that cool when you can call a target right to it when it's 100 points from it? That's pretty damn good. Let's go. I am not the best trader in the world, but I try to keep my trading the way it's supposed to be. In and out, targets, and lock in targets, and just get good trades. No stress. You can see, guys, I don't have the crazy nervousness or nothing. It's just get in, get money, and get out. It's from years of having to go through all the crazy stuff to get here, and it teaches you. So can we get the 18 and go really short? I think the 18 would be good, but I really think if we break the 30, we're going to cruise to 18, probably cruise under this blue box. I think that's the goal. I think the goal is to get either to the blue box, down the bottom, or fade this 30 right here. See this 30? We're going along. But we don't care, though. We're just going to hold. 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes at 10 o'clock. We're going to see if the bears can keep this and push it lower, or will the bulls throw a monkey wrench in and take a big green candle the other way? Because 10 o'clock will be a decision candle. 10 o'clock, guys, is always your morning decision candle. Every morning. Look at 10 o'clock as a friend. It's going to tell you what you're looking at for pretty much most of the day. It's either going to be a candle that's going to start moving back down again, or it's going to be a reversal. So 10 o'clock can cause chop, a big giant move down, or a big pullback. That's what you're always looking for, the 10 a.m. candle. You can see how this candle has not breached the other one. Remember my mama theory, mama baby? See mama, this is baby. Baby has to grow up, right? Baby's not. So this is a good example of a pullback candle. When you don't see it breaching this candle at the bottom, she's going to pull back. It's automatic. It happens every day. So when you're trading, guys, and you look left, and you see a candle that's big and long, and the candle you're in is not breaking that candle, this tells you it's a pullback. Okay. This tells you right here, see long candle coming down, no breach, didn't pass it, it's pullback. Once it does breach it, it's going to go move down. That's the easiest way to explain it. Just one of those ways. See, there comes the 30 again. We got to be under 30, guys. 30 is that pullback. Look at that. Boom. But we want this to be down here at 10 o'clock. We want it to be low. We got about 10 minutes. We don't want it to be way up here at 10 o'clock. We want to be down here at 10 o'clock. Come on, let's go. Everybody's like, now what? If you're looking for another entry, it's going to be 30, guys. 30 long, 30 short. That's the entry on this. Because if we get past this 30, I think we're going to slam this if it can hold it. If not, it's okay. I'm just looking at these. I think it's actually like 31, but it's all right. You can use 30. 30 is safe. 30 to 16, 17 down here. Come on, boys. We need you to push this 30 low. Come on. You guys can do it. Oh, man. Look at that. They got down there and just kind of didn't regroup, but they did break it, the candle. Let's go. Give it another shot. As you can see, the bears are trying to come up down here. See where we went high up here? See this? So they went short. They got all this money back from this long. Look, they need to come all the way down here to get all that money back. And that's exactly what they're trying to do, but it's not working out too well at the moment. 30 pullback. 30, it's a 36-point pullback right here, guys. You could take 30 long, 30 short down here, right there. I probably could make almost as much in the long as the short here. That's okay though. Staying short. We are staying short. We're just going to see if we can get down here and breach this 18. I'd love to see the 18 come down here. But we know though that we're going to have issues if we don't get under this 30. I really think that's going to be, what is that right there? Yeah, they changed this, guys. Yeah, they're changing it now. It's not 30 anymore. It's going to be 20. 25. They dropped it 5 points. It's kind of strange. But I know why, because that's the setup for a massive, stupid move. And I'm just kind of wondering if since they're going to use that changeover, what are they going to do about this other changeover they've got going on, which is about the 7 or 8 down here, which is probably right there at the bottom of the box. Yep. So other changeover is the bottom of this box, guys, where these bears want to be. That's very strange, but it's all right. We're just holding. Who else is holding still? Anybody? Anybody holding still with me? Yep. Good. Yeah. Well, there's are you can they hear me still? Okay, good. Yeah, I mean, you'll get some people that are maybe a little higher, some are a little lower, but that's the way it is. Good deal. That's a good deal. All right, guys, you can see the big pullbacks. So most people that are trading accounts aren't holding now, I'm sure, because they probably can't keep those because these kind of pullbacks will melt that money. So now we're just waiting to see, guys, if she's going to come back down again. We got a chance to come back down, I think maybe once, twice again. I really think they're going to try one more time at least. If not, this is going to be done. We're just going to be done. I really think if you get over the 516 and start cruising back to 548, you get above 550, I think this is over, at least for now. So we're just going to take our profits and walk. Well, could be. Come on, Bears. Give it another chance. Come on, Bears. Just go down one more time and try one more time for us before 10. 7 minutes. 7 minutes would work. Come on. Slow. It's going to be slow now for the next 6 minutes at least until these Bears make up their mind. He's going to hand it over to the Bulls or wipe it straight down again. But when you're holding like this, guys, you just watch. You know, if it goes above 550, or less, okay, we're just going to take profits and get out of it. But if it stays under 550, we're just going to hold it. It's not costing us anything to hold this. We've already made a killing this morning. So this little trade here, the add-on, we'll keep it. There's no risk in this. We've already made a bunch of money. We have zero risk. You can put a stop gain in 50, keep your money, and be done. Or we just hold it here and just watch and wait. Because we know the Bears are trying to come low again. They want to be low for 10, guys. They would like to be low for 10 o'clock. You know what I mean? Because it would make perfect sense to be down here at 10 and boom, straight down. But you have to get that to work. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, so can we do this? See them playing in this box here? You definitely don't want to play in this box all day. This is bad, playing in the box. It's beautiful, though. It's an absolutely beautiful day. Catch our money in 3 minutes this morning and done. Crap, it just hang on. I just damn it. My shorts. I just caught my shorts out on my chair and it ripped them. Rip. Holy crap. There. Don't want to rip my good shorts, man. These are my cargos. Y'all hear me? I know it's kind of weird. It might be because I there. How's that? Better? Ah! That's funny shit right there. Is it better? Check me out. Oh god. Guys, it sounds like I had helium. What's up? Oh, praise. Alvin, Simon, and Theodore. There we go. Oh, oh shit. Oh, mercy. I don't know what's wrong with my mic, guys. Hang on. Get out. Yeah, yeah, it's just a little problem there. Okay, sorry guys. So that was kind of funny, man. I think when I tore, like you heard me say, if I was sitting down, I got my shorts caught on my um, chair, and it's like a ripping noise. And when I stood up, I think my mic cord was bent all up from sitting. So I think that's what caused that because it pulled my cord like this, out of my computer. So we're good. As we come down, 1 minute, guys, to 10 o'clock, and here goes this next one, 3:44. So we got to get down here, guys, to like 3:35, 3:34. That would be a good place to be. If we can breach the 34, guys, we might even go deeper at 10 o'clock. So we're just going to keep coming down. Wow. Alvin and the Chipmunks joined us this morning. It was kind of fun, right? so uh, it's hilarious, man. Shit happens. 34. I almost tore my shorts though. I think I did. So anyway, 34. Let's go. 34 down. Now 34 is a big area, guys. This is actually another big short area if they can hold this. And what they want to do, these bears ain't dumb, right? They're looking to destroy bulls, and they want to really mess them up. About 425, which oh, 425. Excuse me. Yeah, about um, about 28 245. Sorry, guys, which is right down here, right there. See this candle or this area? This is what they're looking for. That's the big area down. If they can get down there, wow. I mean, that's insanity for a big trade. But you got to breach a few things, guys. There's areas you have to come through, and I really think we're sitting right now about this 12. This 12 down here could be potential for a pullback. Watch the 12 low. 12 is not a target on my chart, but I've been here before. I've traded this 12, and I know this 12 right here. It's right there. It's just before the candle bottom. That 12 can be significant because we've been here this past month, and I had it marked previous, not at the level, but some place where we did longs and shorts a lot, and that 12 was one of them. Watch 12. You fade under 12. There's a good short here, guys, at 12. This 12 will lead to another short down. So you got 12 here that works out perfect. If you can hold this, this is another entry at 12. Also, I don't like to say the PB word, but you guys know what that means. I try to stay away from saying it. It's like curse myself. Every time, it that word. Vicious. Hey, guys, we coming down here. Can we get to 12? Remember, if this stays under, what you're looking for now, guys, is that concern level about that 34 down here. I really think it's 34, 35. So 34 and 35 right here levels, just there's concern. We wanted to stay under 34 to keep going down. Okay. So if you're in the 12, you do not want to pull back over 12, but you don't want to be over 34 either. 34 is not a good place to be for a bear. Not at all. Dude, let's go. So there. Sorry, make funny noises this morning. My microphone, look, it picks up everything. Like, see? I mean, if I make a sound, it picks it up. It's crazy. Even picked up, he ripped my damn shorts this morning. All right, guys, let's go. Can we get down here and just go down? I think it's possible. I really think, too, also, we could, what we'll do, we're going to build this. We're just going to build this about right here, right there. I think that's that big bottom, the build bottom. That's what I call it, like build a bear. We're going to build some bears. Let's go. Get down here low. Guys, we have killed this. I mean, if you've been trading with me this morning, you have absolutely murdered the chart. Murder. Solid trade. One contract, $6,000, right? Yeah, $6,000 since we scaled out. It's phenomenal. Anybody want to make some comments this morning? How you like the trading? Guys, come in here and trade with me. Yep. It's awesome, guys. Good to have you in here, guys. I enjoy trading with people. I enjoy doing this. It's a broker. Yeah, love price action, man. Price action trading is the thing to be. That's right. Hold a winner, cut a loser. It's kind of like dating, right? Keep a good one, Let the bad ones go. All right, guys. See my target down there, the big blue line? That's where we're trying to get to. And we called it again before it even happened. And this is why we know where we're going, guys, and we know where we can't go and where we want to go and where the pull bets come to go back to. That's all part of the strategy that I use. I know where this is going to go any given moment. And it helps us get trades like this and hold trades, for almost an hour and take, $27,000 in the morning. This is really the best way to trade. There's no guessing in it. And a lot of the traders out there, guys, when I was first started trading, I was doing a lot of guessing, reading stuff on YouTube and all these idiots who I thought were gurus, but couldn't trade no better than I could. you know, basically just destroys you to get with people who don't walk you through trades. You want who can walk you through a trade, how to hold a trade. Why are we holding this trade? Is it going to pull back to the consequences of just cutting it, taking the money, right? All part of the plan. It's all part of your job. If you're going to be a professional day trader, you have to stick with what you know and stick to the rules. We don't mind taking the money, guys. We don't mind taking this money. It's just an add-on. But no, the distance on this chart in points, right? Why would we get rid of it? We don't need to get rid of this. 300 points into this thing. We're 300 points down from where we started. It's not going to go back up 300 points anytime soon. So we hold. Easy. Very easy. Let's see here. No, I had to make a check. Yes, the 35 right here. 35 is a pullback. This is the place where the bulls will try to go long. They always will. It's the first place to get. I think they have like a little stepping stone here they really need. And it's like a point move here, guys. I mean, you would have to be above this. Okay. So you would be like right in here somewhere, like probably the 40. I think it was the 40, 41. Anyway, it's right in there. Concerned area, but not a big deal. That big deal. All right. So what we do down and trying to get 45. I'm actually in this shit again. That's weird. Strange. So it's better now. Okay, so guys, we're trying to get down here to about another 30 points. That's what we're trying to get. We're trying to get past this 242, 245 area. Not really a concerned area. We want it. See 245 down to about 209, 210. But there's your blue box. There it is. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Boom. Now, can we get 245 to work? Can 245 stay short? That's what we want. We want to see if 245 will stay short. Okay. It's like 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2. All right. There it is. 245. Let's go. 245 to about 210, guys. That's the area of concern. It's 245 to 210. 245 could be a massive pullback too. Just remember that. Yep, we're right at our day goal. It's beautiful. Where are we sitting this morning? Yep, we are. That's awesome. I was checking it, guys. 245. Got to have it. You want to keep making this work, it's 245. 245 short. I think 245 gets low here. You're going to see another move down to about, well, let's see. So we know 245 will move down. I think we should see about 245 come way down. Like wow, we could actually get down into here. Look at this, guys. Hang on a second. So as I find the mouse over here, I mean, we could structure. Okay, something's open because my mouse is not letting me do anything. Okay, there you go. I got it. I'm thinking about right there to about here. Because we got this big bottom wick we know about. So that's going to be a problem. But this is out of the box down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this box down here, guys, and just get a caution. Put a caution on it because this is where the bulls could start being stupid and trying to get the market back. But if you don't, it's going to fade big time. You break the yellow, and you might as well hold on to your hat or it's over. It's going to be over. But guys, we have already killed this thing. We murdered this chart this morning. So we're not short, guys, or looking for a short or a long. It's going to be 245. Remember that. 245. And if you break above 4, you can hold it. 240 to 254. 245 to 254. That's your target. If it breaks it, hold it. Don't get out. That's what I'm doing. Check. There you go. Yeah, I think when I sit on my cord this morning, I think that screwed up something, but we'll be all right, guys. I got a new microphone on the way. We ordered it Thursday, I think. Should be here probably today or tomorrow. Yeah. What? Um, okay, how's that? Better? Which one? This one? Yeah. So it's this one. And turn this one back on. Can you hear me? All right, so that's the way it was. Okay, good. All right, guys, 245. Got to see if we can get down here, guys, and make this work. I don't hear nothing now. Can you hear me still? Okay, good. Y'all guys can hear me. Good. All right, so we don't have the feedback anymore. That's kind of a good thing. I'm glad of that. But now, guys, we're just trying to get down to the blue box. We got to get down to 245, or it's going to bounce at 254. I mean, that's just the way it is. And the big bounce could pull way back, guys. It could pull all the way back up to like 14 area. right around in here, probably, but 12, 14. But just got to watch it. Make sure she don't pull back to 14 and 30 because that could be a problem here. So we just want to stay down here between this line and this box to keep it going low. Okay. But right now, guys, we are doing fine, but there is some weirdness going on. And I don't know what happened here. Okay, let's just go like this. Well, there. Yeah, we got to come down here. We got to get low here. And we got to hold this. So I think that we just get the 45, man. Just got to break the 45 and like the 210. 45 and 210 would work perfect for us. 210 is not a level, guys, but 210 is a place where I know there's some concern there also. But see, you can see the bears are just barely trying to trickle down now. They're getting the pullbacks. They're working on trying to structure this low at 245. They want 245 to get to that yellow box, guys, below us. That's what they want. They got to get 245 short to get down there. Okay. You got to have it. We're just waiting to see what they're going to do with this. To see what they do, guys. It's beautiful, though, man. Absolutely beautiful. Come on. Rum down. There you go. There we go. See that? 245 worked, guys. You just got to be under this 35 now and keep going. And I really think that we can get lower here. And if we could just get down here, guys, to about, I think, like I said, about 214, 210, that area down there is another area of concern. We really need to get to the 14 down here in 10, just to make that statement that we can keep this. But remember, 245, guys, is going to play games with you right here. It's a short long. It's 45 back to 54. And if you break 54, it could be 60, 70, and 80 even. But 245 short stays short, and it can be down to 245 to 210, 212, 214, and then lower than that down into 200s. So that's what we're trying to get here. So that you can see we broke the 54 right there. So that means it's a pullback, right? So you got the 45, 54 trade there. And this can pull way back on this. I mean, you've got potential to pull, you got potential to pull way back to 54, all the way back to like 315, 316 up here. So there's a massive pullback on this to 315, 316 after you break 54. So you can also use 54 as an entry to go back up, or 45 long to 54, hold 54 and keep going. So my thing is, if I'm taking 45 long and I'm getting the 54 on the chart, if I'm getting the 74, I'm getting out, because that's a good move, guys. 45 to 54 to 74 is perfect. Even if you don't even hold the 74, if you don't hold the 70, it's still a good move. It's just a way to capture more money and take it home, right? See this? 45 again. They want the 45, guys. They got to have it. It's something that the bulls have structured in the way. They know this is a big bull area. If you don't break the big bull area, why is this a big bull area? Can someone tell me on live why this is considered a big bullish area? Why? Anybody want to tell me? Anybody want a free account that gets it right? 50K? Come on. Somebody got 30 seconds. Let's go. Who knows? Okay. Nope. Nope. That's not why. 15. Nope. You're still short. Good, you're short, man. There's the yellow box. Well, that is kind of correct that he said that. But what we're looking for, because the 30 seconds is up, but what we're looking for, guys, is a previous long. And like he was saying, where the previous low was before, where it bounced back, this is exactly where this long was before. See, the long started right here at the box, and now you're coming back. So the last guy, I do believe the last guy was close enough. You can give it to him. Okay. What was his name? Yeah, Decchio. Yeah, because this is if you look at the previous low bounce, and that's what he's talking about. This is where we did the previous low bounce here. But what I'm looking for in theory, guys, is you to say to me, because we made a big move up, this is coming back down to the same move we just had, right? You can see the big moves right here. What I'm looking for is why are we bouncing these levels? Is because of this move. Look left. And a lot of people did say look left, which is correct, guys. Look left on previous moves, and you're going to see why we got to break through these. Because if we don't, we're going to do the same thing again, right? So that goes good. Deco, congratulations. I'm going to give you that 50K because you were really close to what I was looking for. All right, guys. So the 210, 211, right? Remember I told you guys about that 210, 211, the pullback bounce? These bears know that yellow box down here is a warning sign. The bulls have an area down here. So what we would call this, okay, and you can start doing this on your charts on these lows, guys. What you can start doing is say, okay, this right here is called big bulls protection zone. Okay. This is exactly what this is right here. It's a big bull protection zone because they know the bears get this. They're in deep shit. Okay. That's all there is to it, man. Because right now the big protection zone goes down to 195, 194. Okay. This level right here, and see, they don't structure this for you to see this, but we know what it is. This level comes all the way down to right here at 190, about 195, 194, right there. Okay. Because 195 is that protection low for the bulls. And you'll see 195 play right here. You watch the 195. 195 will jump back up if it don't break it. Okay. So we had to be under 195 now to keep this short. And we know this. 195, stay out of the protection zone. We got to get under these bulls. This is called being under the bull money. And that's exactly what we're at now. Now we're under a place where the bulls will let the bears take it down because they're going to let it fade to get a better price on the long, right? They want these bears to push this shit down even lower now because guess what? The lower the bears push it, the better price we're going to get on an entry going north. Does that make sense? You guys follow me on that? If they don't let the bears push it, then what will happen is the bears will finally give up and 195 will go back long, okay? It's either going to be 195 or it's either going to be 248, but that's too far down. So we'll take the 95. But we want them to push this down, okay? We want this to come all the way down to the structure, okay? And that structure I always look for, and this is an odd level, guys. It's right here. The casino number, right there. 111, 111. 111 is beautiful, guys. The 111 is an absolute amazing place to be for bears. Okay. It's also that buy-in for bulls if they can get there. Now, will we see the bulls let the bears push this all the way down another 40-something points? Right? We could. Or will the bears say, well, we got enough. We'll step out, let them have it, let them run a little while and come back and kill them later. Because what they can do, guys, on days like this, you're going to see it come down. You're going to see the bulls pull it back, of course, right? You'll probably see the bulls come back later, but it don't mean nothing. The bulls will come back halfway, quarter of the way, and it's going to go deep again. Because this is setting up for even a deeper move. You come back, you get a big pullback, you go deep again. You go even deeper than what we are. So what we're looking for now is it to go deep, pull back and go deeper, right? That's what we're looking for, hopefully. But guys, we've already got another $10,000 on this one candle, and we scaled out at 22K. So we have broken our 30K day record again, another day. Monday over 30K again, guys. Beautiful thing. I think really though, the bears, I mean, if I'm a bear, I've got to make sure that I'm coming off this level right here. I've got to get into this. I've got to stay under this 30 down here. That's what I'm thinking anyway. I mean, and I've got to stay at that 193. I really think that could be a possibility there, but I'm thinking out loud, guys. Don't pay attention to those levels because they're way ahead of us. They're like way down. So they're like way down here somewhere. But anyway, guys, see like the 190, I was saying about the 193. I was just talking to myself. This is a good place though. The 193, 195, we know. We're trying to get down to the 111, the 111, guys. 111 is not one of my biggest areas. It's not a big target. It's just something that I know that we have focused on in the past, right? We've been here. And when did we come here, guys? Oh, let's go look and see why I'm calling this. Because we were here in probably sometime in June, May, June, even before that probably. But anyway, it goes way back, so that's cool. Let's go take this back where it was. So now, can we get down to 111? 111 is our target, guys. 111 will be our target for the morning right here. This is going to be massive if we hit this. I am just going to freak out. We called this, guys. We called this 111 70 points ago, 60 points before it even happened, guys. Have you seen somebody call a 60, 70, 80 point trade before it even happens, right? This shows you guys that we're serious about this trading in here. Look at that, 10K. Come on, let's go. Can we get there and get it done, guys? Isn't this beautiful? You guys on YouTube, how you love this? How you liking this, guys? It's awesome. Yeah. Nope, not AI, guys. Just having fun. Take some pictures there of the chart because I like to share it with people. Okay, guys, 111. Now, if we get under 111, we're going to go deeper. But remember, 111 could be an issue right here. So let's see what the bears do at 111. Can the bears stay short at 111, guys? Can they keep it? Because if they keep this, they're going to make another structure move. And we know that. The big structure on this is even deeper, guys. It's big time deep. I don't think it's going to get down there, but we're going to find out. But right now, 111 is a bypass. This is where the bears will make a serious move. If they really wanted to go deep, guys, you're going to see a candle here that's just going to power through everything and just go straight down. I mean, this thing could really, really just tip the scale here and run. And I really think that, remember this morning when I told you guys about being the 900s? Well, guess what? It's right here. It's right down here at 27.9, right there. That's the target, 27,900. That's that big, giant, deep target. Now, that target's not permanent, guys. It's only for today because I'm looking at this chart over here and it's saying, no, that's a stick target we want. That's where the bears will be like, hey, we got down here. Can you stop us? But watch this candle and just watch. Because if the bears really want to make a statement, they're going to make this candle flood. It's just going to go boom, and it's going to be done. Absolutely done. We'll go over here and look at this other chart. It's beautiful. Let's go. Guys, we are killing this. I'm sorry. We started trading this, guys, before the open, okay? We were trading this, 7 or 8 minutes before the open, or I think 6 minutes before the open, something like that. Anyway, we can look and see, but killing it. Ta-da! Murder. Murder chart. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Justin. Killing the charts. Let's go. All right, everybody on YouTube. Now, remember, we are under the line, right? We're under that line. So now we just looking to see if these bears really want to make this statement, because this is where the bears can really flood this zone. And I really think they can make a serious good move down here to just finish this day off for us by 11 and give us a really nice, big, fat, juicy, boom, down move. And
Man,
it can happen.
Are you really up 11 grand on one contract?
That's when I cut out of it. Yeah.
That's insane.
I got we got about 33,000 on the day already.
Absolutely nuts. Well, I sold about 400 points too early.
We started trading before the open. We had the trade 6 or 7 minutes. We were in it before it even started.
Insane.
We had $2,000 before the market even opened this morning. Then we had 4, then we had 5. It was pretty cool though. But we were only concerned about 2 levels this morning, Justin. We were worried about it going long right here where it says where the bulls want to be this morning. We were going to go long here and kill it anyway. But we started seeing it fade back to right here. We knew this is going to be it right there. So we called the red line short, 227, 225. Boom. Get in and go.
Amazing.
And now we're just waiting to see if these bears are going to gather their friends right here and seriously put a whipping on these guys, because they can slam this thing straight down now. There's nothing stopping them right here. Anything below this line, guys, is absolutely devastating at the 111. It's actually 111. I got 112, but it's 111. Anything under 111 is stupid. Remember, remember I told you guys about being under that big bull money where the bulls are sitting here to try to protect, but then the bulls are like, well, it's free. We don't care no more. Let them have it. Just let them take it down, because what they'll do, guys, is they'll get structure down here, and they know they can structure in 2 separate places. And I really think what they would do on this is 905, I think it is. How about 905? Somewhere around here about this 9, right here, guys, about the 905 area, right about there. Okay. So this would be down here, guys. And this is not permanent. This is just for now. This would be that big bull comeback area. Okay. This is what the bulls would look for. They will let these bears take us all the way down, and they'll take that long down here. If it does, I'm going to just freak out, man. Because this is what they're looking at. I know that's what they're looking at. You see, we're starting this trail down there too. See us starting to trail? Look at this. Watch this, guys. Watch this come try to get down here. See target, get target, right? See, the big traders in this market, the computer is not the big traders, guys. These computers that they use and these algos that Wall Street uses, I'm starting to figure out that, hey, look, I'm getting very close to doing what their computers are doing, guys. I'm following areas where I know we've been before, and it's amazing how we can pick levels out of the blue and go to them. We've hit every single target we've called this morning, guys. And we called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. 27 targets we have come through today that we've hit straight with 100% efficiency. That's pretty good, guys.
Amazing. Talk about a Monday, man.
Yep.
Done for the week.
Oh yeah, we could take a vacation if we wanted to. Now we could just go somewhere, right?
Literally.
You want to go somewhere, man? We'll just go.
Let's go. I think I closed out my trade like 5 minutes after open.
I don't. Well, hey, that's what I told these guys. Hey, man, you can take this money and run if you want to. You don't got to stay here and watch. You know, you can just be like, hey, Mike, thank you.
Exactly.
Have a good day, brother. Let's go. You know.
So that's what I always tell people. You need one good trade, and you can literally be done for the week.
Yep. So I think,
how long did you work this week? I don't know, 7 minutes.
Yeah. Right here, guys. Also, we're looking. I'm going to go ahead and put that 966 in there, guys, just because it's not a level on the day, but 966. We were at 966 way back on these charts months and months ago. 966 was an old area of concern. So we could come here. So now we know that this whole area right here inside of this could be the issue, right? For that bull comeback area. See that? It marks off perfect, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And it gives us a way to say, well, if they break to 66, we hold this, or we watch for a pullback at 966.
Man, I do not usually like Monday mornings, but this has been a good one.
Yeah, it's been a good Monday, man. It's kind of cool. It's like It's like Christmas in July.
Right? Money printer is on, that's for sure.
We just turn the printer on and go.
Right?
Guys, you can't beat this kind of trading, though, when you can get in here and hold all morning long. We've been holding this trade for way over an hour already. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, no real reason to sell, to get rid of it yet.
Nope, none at all. No reason. We got so many points in this, guys. We started this trade out at 627, 28,627. We are 600 points in this thing. I think, right? Yeah. Almost.
Almost. Yeah, close. Yeah, that's wild.
A 600 point trade, okay?
Almost straight down, too. That was an easy hold. You don't get these very often.
No, you sure don't.
Just click the button and walk away.
We're only a few points. Well, we already crossed it. Yeah, we took a 600 point trade today, guys.
Insane.
Live. If you're still in this with me, man, you're a beast for holding it with me.
Yeah, is anybody still in this? I'm curious.
Because you got
diamond hands.
You got cojones, man.
Yeah. Okay.
That's all I'm saying. But you're doing a good job if you are, and congratulations if you held.
Oh yeah, we got somebody in with you still. Nice.
No, probably Jaja.
No. M Russos.
Yep. Taz. No. He's getting excited. There it is, guys. 600 point trade right there. You just hit the 25. We're under 600 points, guys.
Jaja said, "I wish I had those cojones."
Coach Becky's probably watching it. I hope she sees this 600 point move right here that we
she's
captured.
in here. Yep.
Imagine capturing, guys, a 600 point move. People are going to tell you you're crazy. You can't do that in these markets. Yes, you can. You can. Yep. You can do it. You're seeing me do it. It's absolutely amazing to catch a trade like this.
There goes 28K. Boom.
Right down to the 665, 666. That's exactly what we're trying to get to. Now we know the 665, 66 is that area, right? That's just the first. This is like a traffic area, guys, because the bears start running into some traffic from the 666 down all the way to like 941, the 27,940 something down there. But I think the 900 would be a good place to be. But you're going to have traffic, guys, from 66, 56, 45, 29, 17, 15, 901. So down to the 900 is a lot of traffic from 66 to 900. So we got to watch the 66 down to 900 because you've got traffic to deal with. But remember when I told you guys about letting this thing run straight down? What happened? They did exactly what I said they would do. Let it fall. because they want to get to the comeback area right at 900. 900 is my target low. And I just can't believe we got 13 grand on one contract. This is absolutely
that's
insane.
nuts.
It's
Oh my God. We just dropped 50 points since I looked at my phone for a second.
Insanity.
Yeah.
We're almost 700-point trade, guys.
Slayer's in from 720. So from wow. Some of you guys have some diamond hands. I love it. I'm going to be. Oh, I got requested.
One of those mornings, guys, we get the capital beautiful. They probably went long on that first pullback candle and got destroyed, and then it went straight south. Then they don't know where the entries are. See, with days like this, if you don't know the entries coming down, guys, you still can't trade this. You're still going to make
mistakes. Because you can get in, but then you know 50 points, you're the wrong direction, and then you're out, and it goes the way you want.
So you have to know where the cutoff is. Like right now, guys, we don't have a cutoff. I mean, the biggest pullback in this right now, guys, you can set your stop gains at 210. you can put your stop gains at 210 and hold this all day. 210, 212. That's your stop gain, 210. And just let it go. It goes back to 210, cut it. But with me, I'm going to take the money out of this, guys. I'm not putting a stop gain. My stop gain is going to come way down here now. I mean, I'm going to keep it way down here. I'm going to keep, 12 of this. You know what I mean? There's no sense letting it all go back to like $6 grand now. That's craziness.
Yeah, no reason to give back $6K.
Hell no, we got $13,000 in a one candle move, right?
Yeah.
So we had 20 and 13. So we got we made 2 at the beginning. So we got that little $2 grand trade this morning to start with. So we got 2, 10, 22, 24, 34, 37. We're about 37K right now in the day, guys. 36 on trades that we've shown y'all today.
I'm curious if the Bulls are going to even show up at all.
They will eventually. And
there's like a 150-point candle coming sometime soon.
Well, I can tell you one thing: if they don't show up at 900 down here, if it gets down to 900 and the Bulls still don't show up, it's going to be a massive problem. Because 900 will take this down even lower. I mean, this is craziness. We've already got a 600-point trade or more. This is like a 700-point trade now.
Yeah, wild.
And 20 points. I mean, it's just a 700-point drop, man. Boom. I love this kind of trading too. This is when like, wow, I just got my day just completely made. This is a whole week right here. Now
yeah. Insane.
You see where the comeback area is, guys? What did I tell you? You see this right here? You see this right here on your chart? Right there. That's 66. It's not 62. It's actually 66 right here, but it's like right there. 66, 67 here. You really got to watch that one because remember I told you about that comeback area at 66, and there it is. So you got to stay under that because if you don't, you're probably going to get a pullback there at 66. And that pullback could run. It can go way up almost to 100. So you've really got to watch this pullback for a massive move here because these guys ain't playing now. The Bears, if the Bears don't get low and break that 66 and try again, guys, the Bulls will make that structure move sooner or later because they are down here at the area where the Bulls want to get it back. But it's cool, though, isn't it? It's cool to watch these guys do their thing, There. Sorry, guys. So, I mean, it's like Can we come back and keep it? But if we don't, guys, it's not a big deal. We can cut this and just take the money, right?
Yep.
We just want to take our money and get out of this anyway.
Take the money and run.
Yeah, we're not going to hold it. Because there's too big of a risk in pullbacks here. You've got a massive risk of pullback all the way to 194 and all the way to 110. So 110 and 194 right here. So here's the 110, the 194 is up here, guys. These are your two pullbacks, 110, 194, and the 66. So there's three of them here. The 66 bounce, the 110, and the 94 up there. So you got to be really careful on this pullback because it will drain. If the bulls get a hold of this and hammer it, they're going to drain you. But the problem with this is the bears still have leeway to go more, but the bears aren't using it. They're letting the bulls kind of fade it back for a minute. They can come back down again. It's great, but it's all right if they don't. We're just going to cut it. I figure if we breach this area here at the 19, 110, we should probably just, or 111 actually. So it's a 111. The 111, you really got to get rid of it. Don't hold it no longer than that. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm saying in theory, I'm not going to hold it no longer than that. It's been a beautiful morning, everybody. Hope you enjoyed your Monday.
Oh, yeah. I know my account has.
Yeah. I'm about to get one of those trader pimp hats. You know what I mean?
That would be hilarious.
Guys, if you made money, I would really like for you to take a screenshot of your chart. Make a short little video clip, man. Send it to us.
Yeah.
You know?
Let everybody know to join us.
You know, we'll make a special clip. We'll make a special email for that kind of thing, right? We'll have Justin make a special email this morning for you to send the clips to, so we can post them on our social medias of how good you're doing, man. It'd be a really good thing for you guys to do and like show us and just smile and or do this in the video like, hey, we killed it today, or look at this. You know, something like that would be really awesome.
Yeah, and you guys remember you get rewards points for doing stuff like that too.
Yeah, you can get swag and stuff, man. Let's go. I'd love to see everybody wearing a BluSky shirt like this one I got on, or like Justin's got on when you're making those good trades, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, if you go on your dashboard, there's a reward section where, you know, if you take a screenshot of your video or sharing it on your socials, you get reward points. You can use it for resets, accounts, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And I know you guys love free stuff.
Yeah. Everybody likes something free, man.
Yep.
Mine is coffee, man. I want some free coffee.
Yeah, right. Give me some free coffee. That's good enough for me. You know what, Mike? Did you ever get your BluSky hats? Did they show up?
Yes, I got them.
Mine didn't show up. They sent me the shirts but no hats. They owe me a coffee mug and two hats. I have to go yell at them.
Yep. Yep, we're getting that pullback, guys. See that pullback right there? Now, this is the cutoff right here. This is where I'm going to end this right here.
Yeah, this pullback's probably going to take everybody out. Everybody's going to cut here probably. And
I'm getting rid of it too, because it's a smart thing to do. So it's 111 is a problem. It's a long.
Yep.
See, now watch. Let me show you guys what we're going to do here. Watch. You see this? This is where the bulls are saying, hey, can we make money at 111? This is what they're trying to do. See, I'm not in this, guys. I'm just going to show you. This is where they want to cross over to 111 to try to make money right here. Now look at this. You just came off a big short, right? But we already know where the level is going long. Right? There it is. It's 111, guys. It's 111. The 111 is your new short, new long right here. These are both the same area. You can go short at 111 or you can go long at 111. if you had to get out, you could always come back and use this level as as something else to make money. See you're coming back short at 111 here, right here. Now see if they hold 111, they're going to go long, right? Look at that. The bulls got to hold 111 to make a statement. The bears will push you back at 111 to go back down. So 111 is the key. But if you can get into 111, guys, and make a little money, you can be fine on this. But if I were you, though, what I would do is I'd try to get down here about the 103 to get back to 11 first. See what I mean? So we know that this is an area where they want to take this trade up here. The bulls do. They really want to. But now we also know that this could be an indication of, hey, we could run sideways for a while, right? So we got $400 out of that. Not a big deal. But I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Because you have to have this 111 to make this work. There is no other target down here except for this one that makes any sense for a pullback long. None. See that? Right there, 111. See it, guys? Easy grand. Boom. $2,000. That's awesome. $2,000. $2,000 in 3 seconds. But see, guys,
Yep.
when you know the area, when you know what you're doing and you can call those levels and you know what area we're trying to get back to and where we're going to take that pullback long, we just got out of a $38,000 trade. Guess what? We just now hit 40K on the day. We just took $2,000 right here, right? Boom, we're good, guys. We're golden because we know where to take that trade coming back. And this could lead to potential to a big pullback long here. The biggest area I would think, though, for me on the pullback long would probably be about 212, 210. Remember the 210 we came out of earlier? It's structured, guys. So that structure is over here, just to right around here. Right there to 211, right here to the top of this box. This is where these bulls want to push this to this, right? So this target right here, guys, we know this target tries to go back to the protection zone here, right? Or if they can't hold that target, these bears want to go back to there, right? Make sense?
Absolutely.
Well, see, we know they got a little bit of a structure at the 102, but 102 is not a level, guys. But we do know that some of the bulls are trying to jump in early at 102 because they know the 111's up there. A lot of these guys are trading 5 contracts, 5 points. They'll get 2 to 11. They'll get out. That's all they care about is 102 to 111. It makes perfect sense to take that money, right?
Curious if the Bulls can actually smack it out of here or not.
I think the Bulls could get a good little run here, maybe something structured up, but I really think the Bears with this 111 level, this is a tough beast right here. But if you can break this beast here, you've got moves. You've got some good moves coming back to you on the Bulls side of the market. I mean, you've got the 211. I would think 211 would be one of those good moves. And I would probably say, I'd say 202 to 211 and then back 248. So 248 would be the high. I think in 250, 248 would be where I'd be concerned, where the Bulls can actually get back to on a good move and take that profits. That's like a 150 point move up through there. And that's a good pullback. That's considered a pretty good pullback.
Mm-hmm.
So if that would happen here, that we would probably see this level right here, guys. Once you breach, let me see if I can get my mouse back over here. Well, what are we doing here? Here, right here. So once we get kind of like right here, guys, we want to kind of breach this level to right there to our target. Somewhere right in here, right about there. Well, no, right there. See that? We would like to go here to here to here, breach this and go here. Or the Bears are going to try to push us back down again. See? Well, look at this. We're making good money already, guys. $3,000. There it is. Hell yes. Let's go. $3,000 trade. Who's in it? Easy long, guys. I just told you guys an easy long at 111. Now, how many people you would think in the market would know to go long at 111 in a bear move? Very, very few, guys. Very few. Right? Right, Justin? Very few.
Oh yeah, everybody's looking to go short right now.
That's right. And this is why this is happening, guys. They know you want to go short, so they reverse it, whoop, and run it up, and then get money. And they might even let it come back down now, but they know you want that money, so they're not playing here. Look at that, 5K.
Mm-hmm.
Unbelievable.
Killer morning.
We just took all of this, and now we're getting this. That's insanity, guys. See, the Bulls wanting to push this back to the top of that zone where the protection area is. This is exactly perfect, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Excuse me. So we just wait now to see if we're going to come back. I bet Coach Becky's loving this one. She's still watching us.
I'm sure she's watching. I'm sure she's done training for the day.
Oh yeah, we definitely done now, man. We're done for I could be done for the week today.
Oh, right.
Now remember, guys, tomorrow is Terrible Tuesday. So whoever gets the most money today, bull or bear, somebody's going to want to come back and do some crazy stuff tomorrow. So I call Monday Manic Monday, Tuesday's Terrible Tuesday, Wednesday's Wild Wednesday. Thursday is throwing things around on Thursday because you never know what's going to happen. Friday's Freaky Friday because you never know what you're going to get, right?
Yeah, NASDAQ Slayer, I agree. There should be way more people in here watching this stuff.
Yeah, this should be one of the biggest channels on YouTube because, guys, the money that we put in here, there's nobody else on YouTube doing this. They're not.
Nope.
They're not. And that's just fact. There's some good dudes out there, though. I'd love to trade with some of those guys out there, too. Let's go, man. We're trying to get back to that yellow zone. Guys, look, $8,000. $8,000 on this trade. We just took 33, 35, 38. We're just killing it. You got what, 12K? You got 22K, right? That's 32, 34, two more, 36, and now we're up almost to 10. 40. That's a $46,000 morning, guys. Right there, $46,000 morning. Look at this. Unbelievable. And why? Because, guys, we're not playing. We know what we're doing. We're going to get this money, guys. We're going to try to find these areas that we can get these trades in, guys, and just absolutely brutalize the charts. Now, remember, look left. What's going on left, guys? Remember what I said about the left candle? Remember Mama? This is Mama candle right here. See Mama? Baby. Baby's got to grow up to beat Mom. If not, pullback, right? You know it's a pullback. If the candle doesn't breach the other candle, it's an automatic pullback every single time. You've got to get right here at the 178. So, guys, you know you can go to your chart and say, well, I got to cap this level at 178 on this candle right here to break this where baby can move to grow up, right? Now we're becoming an adolescent right here in front of our eyes. Now she's back to being child. Now it's back to being childish again. See, you guys get the concept. Look, Mama, baby kind of grew up there, and then she started acting like a child again. So here we go. We got to get up here, guys. If you think about that concept in your mind, even if you say, look, giant, the next giant, okay, this giant here, this other giant has to pass this other one to grow. That's just a fact. If you don't, you will get pullbacks in every one of these candles that happen like this. Every new candle that you get on this screen, if it doesn't engulf the other candle and grow up to be bigger, you are going to get a pullback. That's how you judge the pullback and judge where you're going to get out. You see your entries right here, right? At the 111 on this candle right here. See this bottom right here? 127? That's your exit. You don't want to be under 127 on this candle, guys, because if you get here, you're going to breach this. It's going to take off. So you always say to yourself, okay, I'm in at this candle here at 111. This candle's trying to breach the 178, 182 up here, right? I can look at this candle and go, where am I going to exit this? Where am I going to be safe? If I want to hold this, I can. Right here. Always mark the bottom of the candle. Just keep this number in your head, 128.50. If it comes to 128.50, we're closing it, right? Does that make sense, guys? That's how you trade candles, guys. Because you know at 128, if it don't bounce back at 128, it's going to come down right back to your original entry, okay? It will come right back down and kill you. Let's see if we get the yellow thing here before I get off this morning. Can we get the yellow protection box? Can we run that protection area this morning? I think it's possible. If not, we'll close it. But this is a way to structure your trades, guys. And you're like, okay, I can get in here. I can structure my trades. I know where Mike's calling these levels at. I know where these pre-levels are, these other levels that we're concerned about. You know, I can listen to what he's saying, put a little marker there. But when the day's over, I get rid of them because tomorrow he's going to give me new ones. And you don't want to clutter your chart. Okay. So every day, just wipe them off, guys. I'll give you new ones tomorrow. We'll go off of those because all these levels will be gone tomorrow and we'll start over. I'm starting to recycle levels because we're in July. August is going to be one of those months where you have to recycle a lot of stuff. So we're already I'm starting to take off a bunch of stuff off my charts because now I'm getting into the old stuff way back or the new stuff that's going to print. So there we go, guys. Look at this. Boom. 10K. Just imagine that. You know what I mean? The long is beautiful. I think we got. Yeah, that's good. Cool. So see, watch it come back, guys. If it does come back to that 28.50 down there, we are going to close this. But we can probably do this now because we're not crazy, right? So what are we going to do here, guys? What would be the smart thing to do right here? Okay. We already got 8 in this, right? So we go, boop, 7, and we sell. Boom. There you go, guys. You got your $8,000 locked in, right? 7, $8,000 locked in already. That's it. If it goes to the top of the candle, we know it was 10. We know it was 10,000 up here. So we know we had 10K right here. Okay. So we're about 7 right here. So you locked in about $6,000 and you're working. So we got $6,000 on this trade already locked in. So now we put our stop gain right here. See right here, guys. This is going to be where we're going to put our stop gains to keep this thing right here. We're going to close the trade right there. We're closing this trade at this level right there. And why are we doing that? Because we want to keep our money, right? Okay, so stop. Gain goes here. Right there. Now you know. Stop gains right here, guys. 111. Well, what is it? 135. Is that 135? Well, it might not be 135, but it's actually it's like 128, I think. 130. We'll say 130 for now. It's because it's so close you can't hardly see it. But we'll go with that. Yeah, it's like 128 right there. 128, 129. But look, now we're going back up again. And we're trying to see if we can get to that bull protection zone. That's exactly what they want to do. Can we make it work? And there it is. Boom.
There we go. Nice.
Yep. 11,600, guys. Right there. It's insanity, man.
Nice.
You just took another $10,000 trade up through here, guys. Okay. I want to get a picture of this because I'm going to post this and show people, hey, this is how you do this, right? There we go.
When was the original short? I think he was in at 620 something.
Yeah, it was up here at right here at 627, right here at this line. 627. 627 all the way down. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9. So yeah, we had 700-point trade in this almost this morning. We were only missed out about what, 10 points from it being a 700-point trade.
Yep.
So about a 680-point trade fall down this morning. 620, 630 points. So that's cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
We killed it, guys. We really did. So I'm going to get off this morning. Hope you guys are having a good day. If you've already made your money, don't sit here, man, and give this back, because this could get real swingy right here between this bull protection zone here at the 200 to 240 area, 220 area. And you could get really stupid in here, and this could really cause some serious problems here. If you don't breach this 215, 216 here, and you keep tagging this 194 and 195, these areas right in here, guys, are where this thing is going to get dumb, okay? Between the 111 and this 196, and from 196 to 210, 212, and 212 to 242. This is where this could be really stupid all through here today, from that 111 to 242 area, or let's say 248, 111 to 248. Okay, mark you a zone in here, 111, 248. Watch yourself play in that box for a while. It's probably going to happen, I would say. But anyway, I hope you guys had a good day, man. And I really appreciate everybody being on here with me. I get on here, guys. I don't get on for me. I get on here because of you. I want to help people learn, and I want to help people become good traders. Okay. I can go trade by myself and do this, but I prefer to teach others. All right. So with that said, guys, I'm out of here. Have a great day. Justin's going to take over, and have a blessed day, everybody. See you tomorrow morning.
We'll be right back.
Bye-bye.
All right, what's up, guys? Let's see what we got going on. So, I mean, I'll be honest with you. I caught a good portion of that short, closed out about 9:40. So I'm like good for the day. We'll see if we can find something, but we are not going to force anything, guys. Like realistically, I mean, Mike is right. Like the opportunity happened already. Got the short, and I took a little long too. I mean, right now we're just chopping around. Need me to make 30 grand? There's no way I'm slinging around 8 minis right now when we're gonna chop in a lunch hour on a Monday morning. Oh man. Made like 3K on the drop though, and then about I don't know like 800 on the long. So we're the account is sitting fat right now. We'll just say that. Account is sitting fat. And I was thinking about busting out the orbit to trade, but I don't know. Every time we have a move like that, and especially on a Monday morning, coming into 11, 12, like the market's going to be so choppy right now. I don't know if I want to get a new evaluation shredded to death just for the sake of entertainment. Locking myself out today was killer. Yeah, I mean, if you guys caught any of that short, I mean, the thing is though, if you didn't get in up here, kind of tough to get entries. There wasn't too many pullback entries. So I know a lot of people like if they miss, they chase. If they miss, they chase, and then you get caught in a 80-point retracement, and it's just terrible. This looks like it's gonna roll over. Actually, maybe we should take a short. 8K with 6 micros, insane. Good job. Good stuff. So we couldn't break kind of the bull zone. This is looking like it may just continue. We've maxed out our daily range. I mean, the 20-day daily range is 620. We're at 820. So the odds of it going that much further down, not incredibly high. Incredibly high. Realistically, we should come up to this 250, 300 area. That would make sense for a pullback to go lower. But the Bears are in full control, and there's kind of no reason to think they won't just keep it going. It just kept going down. Yeah, right. It did just keep going down. I agree. I don't know. Maybe try like a 120 short. I don't know. And a lot of people saw this gap up yesterday and thought, we're gonna trend up. I'm sure it was some Iran news or something. I don't even look at it anymore. It's pointless. But gapped up and then just boom right through it, filled the gap and more. So I mean, I think I might try a little short here. I think I might do it. Let's just start with 5 in case we want to add in. No, I don't want to risk giving too much back. See if we get a pop up to 126. It's 50 points away. Might not get it. We'll see. But I'm not really itching to take a trade. I don't have to. Like I said, we should all be good for the day. Good for the damn week, actually. 951 and 1010 under entries. Way. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, if you're patient. It's just it's tough to get into play when we already ripped down 300 points trying to get in continuation. Nvidia almost down 5%? That makes sense. Everything else is green except for Tesla. Interesting. Why is Nvidia down so much? Was there news or something? Oil way down. Well, damn, there was a TP1 for shorts if we got in. Someone finally looked at their books. I know we got some big earnings this week. Let's take a look. So many ads. Let's see. PayPal tomorrow morning, Boeing tomorrow morning, Coke, UPS. Okay, some decent names in the morning. God, there's so many ads on this page. Wow. Tilray, Ford, Cheesecake Factory. Anybody a big Cheesecake Factory owner in their portfolio? Pretty sure Wednesday's a big day. SoFi, ADP, Procter & Gamble. See, I think Wednesday afternoon is a big day. Yeah. There we go. These are some big boys on Wednesday. Microsoft, Meta, ARM, Qualcomm. Oh, Chipotle. I know you guys are going to be on the edge of your seat for that one. What else we got? Might as well go through the week. Then Apple and Amazon. Okay. Wednesday and Thursday, guys. I think we have FOMC on Wednesday. I'm not too sure. Someone let me know, but damn. So I'm kind of curious. Was this like the big move? And then we're gonna. Oh, I got tapped in. Damn. Like, is this the big move? And then we're gonna chop into earnings season, into Wednesday, Thursday. Like, what's the deal? All right, let's see if we're actually gonna get more downside here. If this is gonna chop around, I have a feeling we're just gonna be choppy as hell right now. We'll see. O'Reilly, used cars are now 11 years higher than post GFC. I mean, yeah. I'm more of an AutoZone guy myself. Look at that buying pressure, though. See if it's going to continue the downside. That was a pretty aggressive bull candle right there. Okay. See, we saw like 20 points. Now we're red. Blame Cash for Conquers. All right, let's just hope the market goes in some kind of direction. I hate sitting here on with you guys when it's just completely sideways. No fun at all. Just donate money to the market when it's like that. All right, roll on over. All right, there's 20 points. Let's see if we can get some more out of this. Let's break 100. There we go. Beautiful stuff, guys. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. So you can take your $300, or you can be greedy. See if it's going to go lower. Beautiful stuff. All right, let's take some off. Beautiful stuff, guys. Nice little 45-point trim. Let's see if she's going to roll over and hit 50 and then maybe just continue the downside. 50 points. Not bad. Hop on here and hit a banger with y'all. you guys are sticking around, make sure you hit that like button. Let's pack this damn room, guys. We're too good to have like 50, 60 people in here. It's disrespectful to Mike. All right, so I mean, right now let's just see if we're gonna get some more points. You can take your money, you can get out, you can hold. It's all up to you guys. There we go. Good stuff. Good stuff. Who all made money this morning? Let me know. Show me your P&L. I know some of you guys made at least a few grand. All right, come on, roll over. Break that 50, break that 43, run this down to 900. Let's print. I mean, realistically, we should just take this money. It's for 50 plus points, right? I think 50 points during lunch hour is good enough. What do you guys think? Should I hold? Should I sell? What should I do? Hedge. Should I go long on NQ right now? You just can't lose, right? If you do that, lose your account. Yeah, 50 is like my next target. I don't know. Like I said, we're gonna chop around for a bit. This very well might bounce back to entry. I think it does go lower, but it's that time of day. Market's got to rebalance. It's got to figure out what's going on. And probably draw some fibs now. Oh, look at that. I love when entries line up with a fib. That's like too perfect. That's like too perfect. All right, let's see what you guys are all thinking. What are we doing? We holding? We cutting? 2 votes. Wow, you guys are real invested in this. 50-50. One yes, one cut, one hold. Well, I guess I'll just go with hold. Disaster for me. Started well, made decent profit. Then I started to buy the bottom, and I lost everything I made. Lost an eval and some profit I had unfunded. Yeah, man, trying to catch the bottom is rough, man. You need to wait for some confirmation. You need to wait for bulls to reclaim something. Catching the bottom is for social media. Real traders do not catch the bottom, especially the first try. All right, I think we saw the 50 level. So that was like 75 points. There we go. Yep. All right, roll over. That sounds like I'm talking to a dog. Roll over. Aggressive bounce off that target. Look, we literally tapped the target, and then bounced 30 points. So, I mean, it's chopping just like I kind of thought it was. Let's see if it can actually break this level. If it breaks this level, probably going to see lows. But so we got London Power Hour ending in 20 seconds. Let's see if the volatility drops us through. Yeah, I mean, I agree. Nobody can predict it's just gonna drop straight like that. It typically doesn't, but man, those are the days when you just pad your account. I mean, like Mike and I were saying, like that one trade is like your whole week or your whole month almost. You come in, you make like 3-4 grand on that. Like you don't need to trade the rest of the week. Literally, you were just set. All right. Still bouncing, still, doing its thing. Let's see if it just drops or not. I really don't want to hold this all the way back to entry and give it all back. So I'm tempted to just take it on the next little drop. I don't know if you guys noticed. Every time I try to hold for glory during this lunch hour, I usually get smacked around. But maybe this time will be different, right? Maybe this time it'll work out. Everybody have a good weekend. Let me know if you did something fun. I had a nice weekend. Hit the water with some friends. Went on a nice hike yesterday. Hot as hell though down in Florida. I'll tell you that. I was burning up. All right, here's our level. Let's see if it's gonna go. Let's dump this. Let's dump this bad boy. Let's get a 100-point play, guys. Yeah, $500 on 3 micros. Come on. Love it. Love it. All right, we're almost at 100 points, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost there. Boom, 100 points. Let's go. Let's take another. Let's take 2 off, and let's see if this last one wants to go. But we're over 100 points, guys. Killer trade. Anybody take this bad boy with me? Let me know. Too easy, guys. Market is just like an ATM right now, just handing out free money. Just like, here you go, here you go. Here's $1,000. Here's $1,000. All right, let's see if we get new lows on this bad boy. Now what do we do, guys? Now what do we got? Do I hold? I got 100 points. Do I hold? Do I cut? $100 points is a killer play. Might not seem like a lot after that 700-point drop this morning, but 100 points is 100 points, guys. Still showing weakness. Yeah, I agree. I don't know if it's this. I always make this like this mental battle. Like, okay, so I'm up 100 points. I just have one runner left. Like, how much more am I realistically going for? Like, am I trying to get another $50 out of this? Is that worth it, or should I just lock in the 200? You know, am I potentially going to give 100 back to try to make like another 100? I don't know. What do you guys think? I kind of battle with myself when I'm just in one contract. Like, how much more can I really squeeze out of one micro? You know. Like, because odds are I might get another 50, 100 bucks out of it, but it's probably going to come back and retrace on me and take 50, 100 away. So it's a tough one. Let's see if we break 28K. I'm curious. $27,938 was bounce for sell off. What's up, Hoster? How you doing, bro? We're just sitting in a 100-point short right now. Morning show, and these are my days. Yeah, that's what I was saying. These days make your whole week, man. Your whole month. 885. Yeah, I was just saying. I don't know if it's worth to hold one micro for glory. You got 885. I got 890. I'd love to see that. Just made another 30 points with you. Well, dude, tequila, dude, love it. That's what's up. Love it, dude. I would say should log off and start drinking tequila, but it's 11:30 in here, so that's too early, guys. You're in Greece? Oh, hell yeah. That's awesome. Oh, there goes 28K, guys. Okay. All right. Maybe this is worth a hold. Oh, she dumping. She is dumping. Let's get these lows. 960. 960 gets out of the way. Game over. London is officially closed. We're damn near 150 points on this short, guys. Look at that. Mike smacks what? 600 something on the way down. Like, I don't know, 50 on the way up. Now we're another 150 on the way down. We're damn near 1,000 points on this BluSky stream. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Logging off now. Don't want to go back. Yeah, go have fun, man. Enjoy your tequila. Who's going to be trading the rest of the day? Be honest. Dan. If you guys feel the need to trade after this morning, yeah, you got issues. Not saying there won't be opportunities, but everybody should have made their cash by now. Everybody should have made their cash by now. And if you woke up late or you slept in, probably got some FOMO right now. I don't know. I kind of just want to lock this in. Still some selling pressure. I don't know. Nah, let's hold. Let's just whatever. I only have one eval not locked out. Okay, nice. I would entertain a power hour trade. Of course you would. Trade on other accounts until there's a green. Yeah, that's a smart move. Realistically. I'm expecting a stop run here. That's what I'm saying about just when I'm in one micro. Like I don't want to give back 50 points just to be greedy and get more. I mean, we're up over 100 points. Like what more do I want? I'm just gonna take it, guys. 120 points. Hate power hour. I don't remember I can't remember the last time I traded power hour. If I wasn't just holding a trade. If I'm trading power hour, it's because I'm bored. I'm just happen to be like sitting at the computer. All right, so we're out of that trade, and it has pumped about 30 points since we closed it. So, I mean, looks like a good cut for now. This could be a re-entry, though. Do we want to be degenerate and just like always be in a trade? Or what do we want to do, guys? What do we want to do? I was short and green everywhere. Then I took 2 accounts in bounce zones, so 4 accounts greens, 2 daily loss on 1K each, trying the long. Yeah, the 40 to 50 area could be a re-entry. That was kind of a pivot point for me. This is kind of the time of day where like levels get kind of run through and we start ranging. So I mean, if you took the re-entry, there's 20 points real quick. Yeah, I'm Vodka. Yeah, greed gets you. Like I'm so green right now where if I make another couple $100, I'm not even going to notice it in the account. So like that tells me maybe I don't need to trade anymore. Back over 40 now. Got about 15 minutes left in the hour. I mean, hourly candles very, very red. Very red. I still think we hit lows. I didn't want to give back too much money on that last play. Yeah, Vodka. Sometimes prices just does it. That's why I just like getting the optimal entry is great because then you don't have to worry about these retracements and stuff like that. We need to come down to like Where's these levels on here? Like, I still think we need to come down to about 26.5K. I still think we run down here. And earnings could take us there very, very easily. And is it FOMC? Let me look. It is FOMC on Wednesday. So we got FOMC on Wednesday, the rate, Meta, and Microsoft. And then the next day, I think it was Apple and Amazon. So there's a lot going on this week, guys. And then you know, probably get a Trump social media post as well. Yeah, this should continue to the downside. All right, let's see if it's going to go. Is she going to go? What do you guys think? Should come down to this 960 level. Be surprised if it doesn't. But it is kind of that time of the day. I really don't like getting into trades after 11:30 Eastern. I just feel like you're not getting the good setups during this time. Not getting these good setups at all. Remember, guys, once you get out of here, get up, go move around, get some water. Don't just stare at the chart nonstop all day. Double bottom verbal intervention from Trump. Yeah, right. That could be the area. Could be the area. About 10 minutes left, guys. Yeah, she's got to run to 960. There's no way it doesn't. No way, guys. Oh, has there even been any news today? I haven't even looked. Let's see. Oh man, it is thundering out. It's about to rain, about to dump outside. Might have to do some patio work. What's the rain? Let's see. Has there been anything? Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman on Ukraine. We are open to considering new ideas and suggestions. Is that just going to be never ending? Okay, at 11, Trump, we are having deep talks with Iran. If they are not successful, we return to powerful military action. Trump notes oil dropped and stocks rose after pausing attack. Yeah, so I mean, nothing new. Same old song and dance, guys. Well, you hear just talks? Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm not even paying attention to it trading wise. Like, so there's no point. The chart's going to do the chart. The chart is going to chart. Yeah, I mean, I doubt I'm going to get another trade. We're just chilling in the zone. Is anybody in a trade right now? Kind of curious. Kind of curious. Yes, no, yes. Nice. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. Knowing you're being serious. In, out, in, out, in, out. Not me, just looking back at the morning I missed. Ooh, yeah, don't let FOMO get you, man. It'll kill you. If you're trying to chase these gains people are posting because they caught the actual drop, you're not gonna be able to do that in the middle of the day like this. Like, look at this. The last 20 minutes, we've done nothing. Literally nothing. That 040 area, though, I mean, it's holding. You can probably short that for 10, 20 points like every time it touches it. Oh. All right, got 5 minutes left. Do we take a trade to take a trade? Should we trade short this 43 area? I don't know. It's holding a base right here. This slot to stream is sometimes the worst because, like, get this. But I mean, we did catch 150 points, so we cannot be mad. We got a solid move going into the lunch hour. Incredibly solid move. Make it 300. We're good. Yeah. I don't. You might be holding that trade all damn day, man. I mean, it looks like we're gonna break structure here. This is usually when we get that big of a move in the morning. It's just until maybe power hour or 2 o'clock or something like that. It's just not the best window to trade. Oh, you're out. Nice. Yeah, I was gonna say, how much more do you really want? Yeah, well, I'm glad we didn't short that 43 just to do it. Kind of a little double bottom here. A little double bottom. And guys, Mike did mention, like, if you make videos showing your P&L in the stream and stuff, share them to your social media. In the dashboard, there's a reward section. So if you do that, post the screenshot in the reward section, you'll get some points. Then you get free stuff. Resets, accounts, things like that. And I know you guys are like me. You love free stuff. So literally easy. You get points for liking our YouTube stream, like a lot of social media stuff. It's really easy. Well, guys, it is about that time to get off. Just a heads up, we will not be filming the podcast today. I have an appointment I have to get to. So we're most likely going to do it on Wednesday. I'll make an announcement. But let's see. Matt and Becky will be on at Power Hour. Then Mike will be back in the morning. So we started off the week really, really strong, guys. So let's keep this momentum going. And, if you made your money, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but the market's not giving the opportunities it was this morning. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay profitable.